GX stands for Green Transformation, which refers to the efforts to reform the entire economic and social system by transforming the industrial and social structures centered on fossil energy into those centered on clean energy. Addressing climate change and realizing decarbonized society are crucial global issues, and decarbonization recently has become a crucial management issue for all companies and organizations engaged in business. In particular, the trend toward decarbonization has accelerated rapidly in Japan since the declaration of carbon neutrality by 2050 in October 2020. In addition, the urgency to reshape industrial and social structures from fossil energy-centric systems, particularly post the Russian invasion of Ukraine in February 2022, underscores the renewed recognition of energy security issues, intensifying the need for a transition toward clean energy and a broader economic and social transformation, termed as GX. Because GX is a transformation of the entire economic and social system, it's not enough for only a few industries or companies to take the initiative, and it's necessary to take an approach across business types and fields involving consumers. For example, in the resource and energy sectors, the promotion of decarbonization of energy sources is required, based on the most fundamental premise of S+3 Es, that is to say, safety, energy security, economic efficiency, and environment. Further, the industrial sector is expected to provide materials and services that contribute to carbon neutrality through the development of new technologies and new businesses, and to strengthen international industrial competitiveness through these efforts. Active roles in the financial sector, such as the establishment of new financing methods to support the activities of such companies, have become important. Various policies and systems have been introduced for GX, which many organizations and companies have been working on. A notable initiative in Japan is the GX League, established by the Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry in 2022. This league serves as a forum for companies actively involved in GX, fostering collaboration to create markets, formulate rules, and accelerate efforts across various business sectors. The GX League participants engage in discussions and practical initiatives aimed at realizing a virtuous cycle of economy, environment, and society, exemplifying their commitment to the principles of green transformation.